Hi, I'm Chris Beck with Humankind. I'm the Roanoke area manager and I also teach the computer classes. We've realized that almost all jobs require computer skills now, and a lot of people don't have those basic skills or the confidence to navigate the digital workforce. So what we do is we have 4 workshops that start with the basic skills like using the mouse and the keyboard and opening programs, and we cover everything from word processing programs like Microsoft Word and Google Docs all the way to safely navigating the internet. And we make sure that you have the skills to progress onto the more difficult workshops. To register, all you have to do is either call over here, the number's going to be provided, or you can come into the center and we'll get you registered and make sure you have a spot in the workshops. We would love to see you at our workshops.